I'm so happy to see you again. You've made it a long way in creating your garden, but now it's time to build it. If you followed the blueprint and instructions from the previous videos, all you have to do is follow these couple of steps.
First, gather your building materials. Then, plan your location. Then, you can cut your wood planks to whatever size you want. After that, arrange your wood in the correct positions. It should form a rectangle. Then, put your box together with a couple of screws and your power drill, and place your box in the correct area and fill with soil. More detailed steps are in the links below. With those instructions in mind, you should make your build day into a big event. Invite your friends, bring some treats, and have a blast. I certainly did. Just look at the pictures from the past couple of build days I had with my garden.
Also, after the big event, and I cannot stress this enough, don't forget to create a schedule to water and harvest items from your garden. This is crucial to the health and success of your plants. Well, that's it for now, but make sure you go ahead and go see that next video with the bonus step about sharing your garden. That's one of the most important things you can do once your garden is built.